How to change phone number in Zelle. First of all, open the Zelle app on your device or access it through your bank's mobile app and log into your account. Next, go to your profile or account settings, usually located at the top right or bottom corner of the app. Once in the profile section, look for account or feature settings and then tap on Zelle settings. Here you will see your current phone number associated with your Zelle account. To update your phone number, tap on the link or edit option next to your current number. Enter the new phone number you want to use and follow the prompts to confirm the update. Make sure the new phone number is correct, as this is how others will send money to you through Zelle. After updating, double check that your changes have been saved to ensure smooth and secure transactions. Following these steps will help you keep your Zelle account information up to date and make sending and receiving money hassle-free. Now you know how to change your phone number in Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.